In last video, we already have learned about the base changing formula. So today I am showing you the proof of this rule. You know, the rule says log b to the base a. We can write log b to the base a as log b to the base x over log a to the base x. Here the base has been changed. You see, if it is required to change the base for any simplification, we can change it easily by using this rule. So let's see how I can prove it. Suppose log b to the base a equal to m. I am taking b to the base a equal to m. So we can write in exponential form. We can write it as a power m equal to b. And now I am taking log to a different base x to both sides of the equation. Now it will be log a power m to the base x equal to log b to the base x. Now applying the power rule, we can write m times log a to the base x equal to log b to the base x. So naturally m equal to log b to the base x over log a to the base x. But we took log b to the base a equal to m. That means we can place log b to the base a in m's place. B to the base a equal to, we can write it as b to the base x over log a to the base x. In this way you can easily prove this formula. I will prove another 3 main rules in my next video. Till then, stay tuned.